Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Lily. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Lily.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from London. What about you?
I'm from New York.
What's your favorite sport?
I love football. And you?
I like badminton.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
I like burgers and fries.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, my favorite fruit is mango.
Wow, I like strawberries.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading storybooks.
Me too. I read adventure books.
Which class are you in?
I'm in grade 5. And you?
Same here. We might be classmates.
What's your favorite subject?
I love English. What about you?
I like science. It's interesting. What do you do after school?
I draw pictures and play with my sister.
That's fun. I ride my bicycle. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Snowy.
That's cute. I have a dog named Max.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help my mom set the table.
I help my dad water the plants.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher. What about you?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you like to sing or dance?
I like dancing. I dance at school events.
I love singing. I'm in the school choir.
This was a fun talk.
Yes. Let's talk again tomorrow.
Sure, see you. Bye, Lily.